Okay, hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake?
Yes, St. Charles, Missouri, 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. I'm going to put our phone number above Steele's head. Remember it, write it down, call us about this Land Rover or the other 150 to 200 cars we have at any given point. Also, like and subscribe, because it helps us help you, and when you subscribe, hit the bell, because you need to get notified when we make cool stuff like this. And also comment down below, we like to read those. I do, Chris doesn't.
I don't do it. Anyway, hey everybody, this is a 1987 Land Rover. This is a frame-off restoration. It's got a 4.2 liter V8. It's got a sniper fuel injection system. It has got, let's see, 5-speed manual, which I love. And it's got a ton of sound deadening interior. It's about a 5-year-old build. Obviously this beautiful black metal flake. I mean, it really does look menacing. It's a cool looking car. Well, truck. It's definitely a truck. Let's see, we've got Exmoor carpet, Exmoor seats with 4 rear jump seats in the back. Oh, black.
Yes. If you open up the back, you got the seats that fold up.
Can we do this?
Yeah, you can go ahead. Lift it up, pull it open.
Oh, wow.
Got the spare tire mounted back here, but you also have all these, they're called jump seats. But you can fold them down and fold down the little stand there and stand up on their own and fit people. You also have some cool windows up there in the top of the camper and the sunroof. Look at that.
Pop-ups.
A lot of natural light inside this thing.
Yeah, it does.
It looks like something out of the Expendables too.
It does. Apparently it's really quiet when you drive it. That's what our general manager just said.
Which is surprising because you also have MagnaFlow exhaust, it looks like.
Ooh.
Exhaust tips down there, but yeah, it's got a lot of sound deadening. The interior doesn't rattle. Some nice newer seats that are, I think, leather.
Oh,
and
no,
there's the gas cap cut out right there. It's kind of neat looking. The interior is really nice too.
Very. It's a little refined, as the guy said, and I think he's right. It's pretty refined.
Most of these drive like rattly old Jeeps, but I mean,
not this one.
This one drives a little more modern than what we're used to for something like this.
So let's do a startup and take the first spin, Jake.
Let's do it. We got seat belts.
Real seat belts for real people.
I feel tall.
I feel very tall, and I never get to feel tall. That's an Alpine head unit, by the way.
Yeah, it is.
Sounds great.
Is it?
Yes.
It
came on, it said Alpine. I'm like, well, I want that for... Never mind. Let's just talk about that another day.
That's pretty cool.
There's the Holly Sniper case, so you can do all your switching modes.
The Sniper kind of fits nicely up there. It looks like it's meant to be there.
I believe it was. Somebody did this very, very well.
The 5-speed and the diff gear shifter have chrome knobs on them.
I love it.
Which is cool. And then you got like speakers down here, a little bit of a cubby here to put your stuff. A vent. I'm assuming that can vent some air in here, but we also have AC with all these vents down here.
It means something.
All your controls are over on either side of the gauge cluster, which also the gauge cluster looks pretty cool. We also have a Momo wheel, which is nice.
What does Momo mean?
Momo, it's an Italian brand.
Oh, my people.
But a little bit of an aftermarket thing there. There's the sunroof. I don't know how it works. Oh, I figured it out. You twist this thing and it cracks open. That's pretty cool, and you can lock it back down. Huh.
It's cracking.
Big old back seats.
Wow, you have to kind of duck down.
They're folded up right now, but you can fit 4 people back there if you want.
Oh, hell yeah. Jump seats.
Jump seats, as they call them, yes. Very cool. Oh, wow. Second gear action.
Second gear action.
Nice.
I like the RPM gauge over there.
Oh, yeah.
It's really nice. Oh, he wasn't kidding.
Yeah, this thing drives smooth.
Wow, he was not kidding at all. I expected something totally different. I am pretty darn happy.
Like we said, normally old 80s Jeeps and Land Rovers and whatnot, they just rattle and bounce around and kind of waft. This isn't bad at all.
No, this is pretty tight.
It's got the nice sound deadening and the carpet and the comfy seats, which I think they might be actual leather.
I think they are.
They're super plush.
Super
and you got pockets on the back of them for more storage. You also have a big old storage compartment
Oh, sorry.
Stabile's in the way. Right here in the middle.
That's
Wow.
shifting.
That's like a 10-gallon storage compartment there. 5th gear action?
I almost did. Luckily, I found my way back.
Wow. This is actually pretty nice.
This is not what I expected, and I'm really happy with it. Really happy. Shift smooth. I'm not used to being this high. This is so nice.
Yeah.
Way comfortable. I feel pretty impervious.
Cup holders down here as well. And you got little cubbies here you can slide your phone into to hold it down there. That's pretty cool.
It really kind of thought of everything.
Plus it's menacing looking.
It is menacing. The all black on black on black is cool.
Like I said earlier, it looks like something out of the Expendables.
Absolutely.
Sylvester Stallone should drive this around.
Oh, Arnold Schwarzenegger. It's me, Arnold.
It's got cranky windows.
Gotta love cranky windows. They're not just upset, they're just cranks.
They're tinted.
They're tinted cranks.
Tinted cranky windows. Pretty cool.
And you know what? They got decent gearing because it's like 1,500 RPMs at 45. That's not bad.
Not bad at all. You could cruise the highway with this thing pretty easy.
You could. And yet you definitely feel super tall. I like it. I love the sunroof. Dude,
Yeah,
this
the
is a
sunroof
really
is
nice
nice.
one.
All the windows in the back.
I do.
On top of the camper and on the sides.
And boy, you can really see out of the back. You know, there's no doubt. You can see over the tire. Nothing major there. No obstructions.
Yeah, the visibility is actually pretty good.
It is great. I'm never used to this.
I like the tinted windows because it makes it just that more badass.
It does.
That much more.
That much more. This is a really... I'm blown away. I'm really happy about this. He wasn't kidding. The GM knows what he's talking about, which is good.
And when we say he wasn't kidding, we're talking about our general manager who was telling us about this before we drove it. Truck guy liked our Land Rover.
Yes, he is a truck guy. We call him the Mountain Goat.
Who are you talking about?
Brendan.
I'm talking about the truck guy we just passed.
Who's that guy?
He waved at us.
Oh, well,
I don't know.
Oh, here's the horn on here. That's neat.
Wait, what's
The horn's over here. I thought it was here, but it's here.
That's hilarious.
That is cool. Huh. I wasn't even... This is just... I could endlessly be looking at this stuff. Endlessly. There's so much cool stuff here.
And I have a Momo wheel in my Prelude.
You do?
And I tell you what, they're great.
That's where I saw it.
They're great.
I think it's cool looking. It really matches the motif here that we're getting away with here. Black and badass. And this is.
Yeah, and the texture on the wheel actually kind of matches the gauge cluster. I don't know how they did that, but it's cool. Bean test time. Just a small one.
Well, she ain't going nowhere that fast, but she can go anywhere.
No.
You know, I can go right over there if I want.
Yeah, you could drive through this field and over that hump over there and over
Shifts
those
like
rocks.
butter, dude. Shifts so nice.
It seems like it. There's no clanking or grinding or...
No.
It just goes
really
slides
nice
right into
clutch,
gear.
too. I didn't expect it. I expected it to be a truck. And it is. By all means, it's a truck, but boy,
Yeah.
is it nice.
That's a good way to put it. A lot of these originally drove like tractors.
Yeah, they beat you up.
This drives like a car, which is nice.
Do you know how we worry about this big hole right here? I don't care anymore.
Yeah, there's a big pothole here that we usually try to avoid, but it doesn't really matter in this thing.
I'm hitting.
Oh, you did hit it.
It
And
did
boy,
nothing to
it
this.
just went right through it like nothing.
Ah, this thing is amazing. I like it a lot. First gear is kind of creeper gear, but
Well, we'll do a
perfect.
couple flybys. It'll be a little slower than normal. But I think it'll look cool nonetheless.
Oh, it will look cool. Alrighty, here we are. She is a big, big truck, but I'll tell you, it's really quiet. It doesn't rattle. It doesn't rattle at all when you're driving it. I expect it to be like a Jeep, but it's not. It's really refined. It's exactly what it is. It's a refined, really nice, restored Land Rover.
And you're really high up there.
I love being high up here. You want to drive it back?
Yeah, let's do it.
I love it. you.